Hey, how you guys doing? So today is one of those days in cryptocurrency. It's what's really important about it is that this is a day that you have to practice what you learned about cryptocurrency. You have to practice patience. There's a lot of red in the market right now, and it looks crazy. Let's scroll down. I wanted to show you a couple things just to get an idea of what you're looking at. Like if you started CoinMarketCap here, and you say, let's look around and see what we got in CoinMarketCap. You can see who's trending. Moon River, Terra, the Sandbox, the biggest gainers for the day. Pfizer tokenized stock on Bittrex, 57,000%. Yeah, I don't know what that is. It's interesting, somebody's up. But like if you look at this chart, this entire it's all red. 24 hours and the 7 day. However, however, Solana showing that it had a pretty good week. Nice chart. It's moving, it's still green on the week. So it's dropped down. It started pretty low this week. It shot up and it come down a little bit, but it's still way higher than it was. So Solana is a solid pick for right now. A lot of these, there's a lot of good things to find when the market is slow like this. Another one, Terra Luna. Terra Luna is up 17% on the week, 29% on the day. That's a that's a win. There's a little bit of positive here, but all in all, there's not much to look at. It's a really boring day, and it's not dropping terribly. It dropped sharply the other day, as you can see by Bitcoin's, long, famous now 5 minute candle that spiked to the bottom. What we need to do is hope Bitcoin, we like Bitcoin for altcoin people. I like Bitcoin in the 50s, 50, 51, 52. 45, we're going to need it to do a little bit of work to not get crazy and sink down. So we don't want that. And if we go over to CoinGecko, same thing over there. Tether's a stable coin, so that doesn't count. XRP is up a little bit, 0.3%, but it still shows Solana up 40% on the week. This is one of the days that you just have to practice patience. You don't have to worry about buying anything. This is a good time to buy if you want to get in. Anytime it's down like this is a great time to get in. If we're bottomed out into any coin you want to get into. But but there's not much to do if you're in the game already and you're mixed around in different coins. What this kind of drop means is it's time to focus in on the utilities, the coins that do and have a life. They have a technology behind them. They work, um, and possibly they're waiting for a little bit more good news this year to help bump the price up. So it's cool. There's nothing to worry about here. One thing I did want to show you is, let's see, let's go over to, here's a way to look when you want to come in, and if you don't like looking at the charts, you don't like saying, where's my cursor? I don't want to read all this and try to figure out, what these charts are doing. Just tell me who's grooving all at once. There's a site here called cryptobubbles.net. You can go there and refresh, and every day when you start, it's just going to start showing you what's going on in the market, and you'll get a visual representation of who's doing good. Solana, one of my favorites, down 9%. Bitcoin is doing nothing, 0%. All the little bubbles, you can click them like AVAX. If you want AVAX, you can click it. It tells you what it's doing right now. Of course, my image is blocking some of the screen, but even like this is just a cool table. You can set it for all different types of things, but what's also cool is you can move the bubbles and make the other stuff move around. It doesn't do anything for crypto, but it's a cool interactive page that shows you what's going on. So if you want to make ADA bump and you're in a bad mood, you want to throw some things around, you can do that. But Crypto Bubbles is a cool site. I wanted to make sure you see that. It's an easy way without reading charts, without like coming on and looking at all these different screens and what's doing what. Just go to the Bubbles page and you can see right away. Luna is up 28%. It's a real small market cap, so it's a small bubble. Not a real small market cap, but it's smaller compared to Bitcoin. This is how big it will be. This is how much effect it has on the market. But it is way up. AVAX is up. XRP is down a little bit. ADA is down a little bit. Solana's down 9%. Solana was been up 70%, so this is not a big deal, but they're up. And let's pull ETH up. What's ETH doing? Let's move it to the side so we can see what they're doing. ETH is down 3%. Cool. So that's a good page to look at. You guys can come and check it out. You can look for different ways you look at market cap. You can look by the hour and see what things are doing. And not much. In the hour, everything looks red on this table. So things are slow. That's all. I wanted to show you a little bit of and they just turned back. Look at that. Some of them all turned green. So maybe something happened in the market. Let's see. In the last 24 hours. In the last hour, I mean. Well, actually, you're not going to see in the last hour. But it's interesting. Oh, yeah, there it was. Come on. A lot of stuff did turn green in the last hour. So look at that. It's a real cool up-to-date table of representation of what's going on in the market, and it's very easy and it's fun to play with, and I wanted to just make sure you see that. So I hope you have a good day. I appreciate your time. I wanted to make a short connection with you guys. I'd love if you take a look at some of my videos, help me get out to more people on YouTube. That would be awesome. And whether you do or don't, I hope you invest. I hope you have a good day, and I hope you make some money out there.